सो स्टॉप कॉलिंग मी, आई विल कॉल यू, आई विल मैसेज यू, ओके? चलो बाय। बाय, मैं रख रही हूँ अभी, ठीक है? बहुत सारा काम है, मुझे परेशान मत करना।
अरे लेकिन सुनो तो।
और आई लिसन, बाय,
अरे
टेक केयर, बाय।
मैंने किया क्या? गुड मॉर्निंग।
ओह माय गॉड, गुड मॉर्निंग हो गया फाइनली? क्या टाइम हो रहा है?
आफ्टरनून हो गया। सॉरी।
आई डोंट नो, समटाइम्स आई जस्ट फील सो होपलेस।
आई एम
तुम्हारे साथ
सॉरी
मतलब मुझे
इंदिरा
समझ ही
बेबी।
नहीं आता है कितना। मुझे तुम बेबी मत बुलाया करो, इट्स जस्ट सो इरिटेटिंग।
सॉरी, मैं बहुत लेट से सोया था कल। काम करके लेट हो गया था। वर्क फ्रॉम
डू
होम
यू
चल रहा है ना बेबी।
तुमको प्लीज, डिड यू फाइंड समवन एल्स? क्या
अरे
तुमको कोई और मिल रही है?
अरे आर यू जोकिंग? देयर इज नोबडी यार। तुम कहाँ से कहाँ लेके जा रही हो बात को?
Listen,
अरे
you're not a,
व्हाई आर यू क्राइंग?
I'm not, मैं I don't even know. I can't even look at you. मैं
Sounds familiar? Do you find yourself in any one of the above dialogues and expressions? Or do most of your brothers, colleagues, partners find yourself asking that same question? लेकिन मैंने किया क्या? On some days of the month, when you actually know the girl in front is like this.
feeling fine.
हाँ
तुमने मेडिसिन लिया?
हाँ ले लिया।
ब्रेकफास्ट करके मेडिसिन लिया ना तुम?
हाँ कर लिया, खा लिया।
Well, you know, this is that time of the month. No, no, not that time of the month. That time of the month that comes right before that time of the month. Yes, you got it now. The PMS week. PMS or premenstrual syndrome is a monthly gift from Mother Nature which comes between your ovulation and your period. PMS looks and sounds different in every woman, but there are some usual suspects when it comes to the symptoms. You may find that once in a month your face transforms into a minefield of acne, you're battling headaches, nausea, bloating, or even all of the above. Your hormones can take you for an emotional roller coaster ride where you find yourself crying over a picture of a baby from Somalia in a minute, or picking up a fight with your sibling for finishing off the last of the cookies. And, Arfa, why are you crying? Arfa?
क्या हो गया? ऑल ओके? अरे क्या हुआ, रो क्यों रही हो? क्या हो गया बताओ। मम्मी ने कुछ कहा क्या? अरे बोलो ना। अरे बोलो भी। मैंने कुछ किया क्या? क्या हुआ? अच्छा बताओ, क्या खाओगे बोलो, तुम्हारे लिए फेवरेट खाना लेके आता हूँ। क्या चाहिए तुमको, बोलो। अरे बोलो ना भाई। अच्छा बता दो, अगर मम्मी ने कुछ किया मैं मम्मी को समझा दूंगा, कोई टेंशन की बात नहीं है। बताओ ना क्या हुआ। अब तुम बताओगी भी, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? अरे सॉरी, बताओ क्या हुआ। बोलो, तुम्हारा फेवरेट गाना लगाता हूँ, बोलो क्या सुनना है, बोलो। भांगड़ा, भांगड़ा सुनोगी? भांगड़ा या कुछ कवाली टाइप्स? अरे जो तुम बोलो। अरे बोल दो प्लीज़। अरे हंस दो, ज़रा सा हंस दो। अच्छा बताओ प्रॉब्लम क्या है, हम लोग साथ मिल के सॉल्व करेंगे तुम्हारे प्रॉब्लम। बताओ। अब तुम बताओगी नहीं तो मेरे को गुस्सा आएगा। अच्छा नहीं, गुस्सा मत हो, मैं देखता हूँ। तुम बस कुछ ज़रा सा तुम इशारा कर दो, मैं सॉल्व।
Rahim bhai, when will you understand? She is PMSing. Okay, let's pick it up from where we left. And talking of cookies, you could find yourself binge eating tubs of ice creams or craving for a dish which you ate 2 years back in a restaurant whose name you can't even remember now. While most women experience mild symptoms of PMS, some are more vulnerable than others. Your mental health status is linked to your severity of symptoms of PMS, where women with higher stress levels or those with a past history of depression face more difficult symptoms of PMS. PMS is also fonder of women in their 30s and 40s, where the hormones create more havoc as you near menopause. PMS is that gift you wished you could return but are stuck with. Even women who closely track their cycles would still be caught off guard with an emotional outburst which comes irrationally, seemingly out of nowhere. It can throw you off your balance and add unexpected drama and friction in your personal life. Loved ones, including friends and family, often fall victim to the side effects of PMS, with many women tending to take out their emotions on those closest to them. Myths about PMS can make your life harder than what it already is. Inconsiderate co-workers and uncles educated on WhatsApp University can use the word PMS to dismiss, devalue and laugh off your work and worth. The stereotype of the PMS-stricken woman, who is usually out of control and hysterical, is no doubt more annoying to manage than a lower back cramp. The truth is, women are powerful and majestic creatures, and they are in touch with their emotions even when they are difficult to manage, and usually emerge unscathed through it. Women have agency to take their own decisions and protect their well-being, even when the hormones do their monthly dance. There are many proactive steps that you can take to outmaneuver PMS's tricks so that you can lessen, if not eliminate, its symptoms. Number 1. Sweat out PMS. Working in some kind of regular exercise or yoga is a tried and tested method to pump in your endorphins, the happy, feel-good hormones. You can try any form of physical activity you enjoy as long as you keep it moving. Number 2. Cut out the caffeine. Skip your morning coffee and grab a smoothie or a fruit juice instead. Nourishing yourself with vitamins is a great way to indulge in self-care, as caffeine has proven to aggravate the PMS symptoms. Number 3. Get your beauty sleep. It's natural to feel tired, exhausted and zombie-like before your period, even without doing any weightlifting. Get those 8 hours of sleep. It will help you feel well rested and you will wake up all refreshed to face the next emotional breakout before it makes its appearance. Number 4. Don't get high when you're low. Although this goes without saying, a smoke up or a drink or two will only make your symptoms worse. Do yourself a favor. Steer clear of substance abuse unless you want to feature in some unsavory headline or some TikTok video you're going to regret the next morning. 5. Try supplements. Supplements which contain omega-3, evening primrose and ginseng, when taken on a regular basis, are your best line of defense to elevate many of the symptoms of PMS, including cramping and mood swings, as they help stabilize those wild hormones and make you feel more like your normal self. Number 6. Friends and family. Too many relations have fallen victim to PMS. You might want to have a heart-to-heart with your partner and your loved ones and explain to them how PMS affects you, so that they can help you and be there for you when you need them the most, or rather, even leave you alone if that's what you want. Number 7, doctor, if nothing works for you and you still feel overwhelmed by the symptoms of PMS, it may be a good idea to consult your doctor. He or she may be able to give you alternate treatments like hormones or antidepressants, which may work for you. While these are some insights and tips, no one knows your symptoms, your cycle, and what works for you best like you do. Remember, take good care of yourself, show yourself that extra kindness and love, and practice all the self-care you need to sail through PMS. If you have any queries about menstrual health, hygiene, or anything gynecological, feel free to call me to the rescue by leaving a comment below or subscribing to this stream of endless Gyno Gyan. Thank you.